welcome to this complete guide to Royal Navy basic training at HMS Raleigh. If you're thinking about joining the Royal Navy, Phase 1 training at HMS Raleigh is where your journey begins. Over 10 weeks, civilians are transformed into disciplined, confident sailors ready to serve in the Royal Navy. This video will walk you through what happens week by week, what to expect, and how to prepare both physically and mentally for life at HMS Raleigh. Week 1. Arrival and militarisation. Your training begins the moment you arrive at HMS Raleigh in Cornwall. After checking in and completing administration, you'll meet your division, the team you'll train with throughout the course. Week 1 focuses on militarisation. You'll learn Royal Navy routines, standards, discipline, and teamwork. You'll begin drill training, physical training, and basic military skills. This week sets the foundation for everything that follows. Expect early mornings, strict timings, and a fast introduction to naval life. Week 2. Discipline, drill, and teamwork. In Week 2, the pace increases. Drill becomes more demanding and physical training becomes more structured. You'll learn to move, act, and think as part of a team. Attention to detail, discipline, and following instructions are constantly reinforced. These skills are essential for operational effectiveness in the Royal Navy. Week 3. Team challenges and confidence building. Week 3 introduces more practical and physical challenges. You'll take part in team exercises designed to test communication, cooperation, and leadership. Confidence grows as recruits begin to adapt to the demands of training. You'll learn rope work, knots, and basic maritime knowledge that every sailor must understand. Fitness standards are tested, including endurance and strength assessments. By this point, most recruits notice significant improvement in their physical fitness and mental resilience. Week 5. First aid and survival skills. Week 5 focuses on life-saving skills. You'll learn first aid, casualty care, and how to respond in emergency situations. These lessons are hands-on and practical, teaching you how to remain calm and effective under pressure. These skills are vital for life at sea and in operational environments. You'll learn how to respond to fires, flooding, and emergencies on board a ship. Working as a team is critical, and drills are designed to simulate real-life scenarios. This week is demanding, but builds confidence and trust in your abilities. Week 7. Navigation and communication. Week 7 introduces navigation basics and communication skills. You'll learn how to read charts, understand directions, and communicate clearly and accurately. Week 8. Skill integration and assessments. By Week 8, everything you've learned begins to come together. Leadership, teamwork, seamanship, and fitness are assessed. This is a crucial stage where recruits demonstrate their readiness to progress. With the end in sight, Week 9 focuses on refining skills and preparing for final assessments. Drill, physical training, and practical exercises are polished. Recruits are expected to perform to Royal Navy standards consistently. Week 10. Passing out parade. In front of family, instructors, and senior officers, recruits demonstrate their discipline and professionalism. After passing out, you'll move on to Phase 2 training, where you begin learning your specific trade. How to prepare before you arrive. To succeed at HMS Raleigh, preparation is key. Improve your fitness before arrival by running, swimming, and strength training. Practice discipline, time management, and teamwork. Arrive mentally prepared to be challenged, corrected, and pushed outside your comfort zone. Remember, training staff want you to succeed. Stay focused, stay motivated, and support your teammates. Final thoughts. HMS Raleigh is challenging, demanding, and rewarding. It builds confidence, resilience, and pride. By understanding what lies ahead and preparing properly, you give yourself the best chance of success. This is where your Royal Navy journey begins.